Looking to make some extra income out of YouTube? Heck, are you just hoping to express your love for anime and other forms of art by showing the world your creativity? Well, you can give creating these types of viral nature reels a go. After all, they are going viral as we speak, and it seems to capture the imagination of many people all over Instagram and other social media platforms. Before we get into it, we must let you know that perhaps the best part of going into this niche is that you can actually make the same videos in just a few minutes. All you need are these three main things: a collection of prompts, text-to-image AI, and image-to-video AI. To help your work get underway, we have been able to find a list of some of the best prompts out there. For now, though, we need to get into the meat of things. If you want to get the exact same videos with the best quality, just pay close attention to what we have for you in this video. First of all, let us take a look at one of these videos. Pretty sweet, huh? Well, to make a video of the same quality, we need to observe the following 3 steps. Step 1. Generate AI images. Well, for us to get the images to make our viral videos, we are going to have to make use of some of the great AI image generators out there today. You'd find that many of us just cannot ignore the quality images that can be generated with the AI image generator known as Leonardo AI. Don't worry, guys. We have the link to the AI tool in the video description below. With that in mind, once you get there, you can sign in easily with your Google account. With that in place, you will be taken to this page where you will be able to set your eyes on a ton of amazing AI images. We do not need to think that these images are generated by the AI itself. As accessible as this AI tool may be, we must let you know that the AI tool isn't totally free. No, creators may be a bit gutted to find that they can only make use of 150 free credits every day if they log in with a free account. Now, this is way better than some AI image generators out there, but we have to acknowledge that it is still a limitation. That said, this is still more than enough for what we are trying to do with this AI tool. Moving on, we will need to click on Image Creation. This will take us to a page where we can use this box so that we can type our prompts in. Once we get to this box, we can make use of some of the prompts that several expert creators have put together to help us make the best images possible. To make use of them, all you have to do is copy the prompts one by one before pasting them onto the box we mentioned earlier. Feel free to edit these prompts so that you can get different versions of what you are looking for in these images. Furthermore, you can also use these prompts to get more high-quality images out of the AI. Feel free to also adjust the images to the right aspect ratio for your project. 9:16 seems to be the more popular aspect ratio for Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Following this, you can go to the preset so that you can select the anime preset. Once you click here, you will get your results in just a few seconds. Pretty cool, right? Convert images into animated videos. Once you are done generating the images, the next thing to do is to convert these images into animated videos. Thankfully, you can also do this inside Leonardo AI. The first thing that you will need to do to complete this part of the process is to select the image. Following this, you go on to click on the Generate Motion Video button. Once this is done, you'll find that it takes a few seconds to create the video. You may find that you can save time by doing this with several images at the same time. The final result is truly a wonderful sight. Just take a look at it. Pretty sweet, right? Once this is done, you can move on to the next phase of the project by downloading all the videos. Before you do this, though, you may discover that you aren't too happy with the video animation. This is not your fault. After all, this is a new feature on Leonardo AI, and as such, it isn't perfect just yet. To get something that may be perfect for you, you may want to make use of an AI tool known as Immersity AI. This is another tool that is capable of converting your image into an AI video. Just note that there is a free plan and a paid plan here. Once you sign in, though, you will find the section where you can drop or upload your image. You can see how it wastes no time to animate your image. What's even more interesting is that on the right side of the page, there are several icons that can help you animate your image in any animation style that you may like. Pretty impressive stuff. Once you are done making the animation exactly how you'd like it, you can go on to export your animation. Just click on the Export button, select this option, then click on Next here. Finally, click on Export, and within a few seconds, you'd get your amazing animation. As amazing as these animations are, you'd find that they are only about 10 seconds long. That won't do, as these videos wouldn't even make up for half the time, so we know that you'd like to make them longer. To do so, you'd have to make use of any video editing software that you can get your hands on. With that in mind, we know that most of you will be savvy with CapCut. Free and available for all to use, it may be perfect for you. For those who do not have access to it in their country or region, we're sure your VPN could sort that out for you. To make the video longer, you have to duplicate the animations and add a transition in between the clips. Don't worry, we're pretty sure nobody will be able to notice what you did. You can also make other adjustments, such as increasing or decreasing the speed of the video. To make the video even more interesting, you can also add some background music to the mix. To do so, feel free to head over to Instagram so that you can get the perfect music for your clip. This may help your video go viral in just a few days. How to make money with these videos and these Instagram accounts. In order to bring in that $5,000 every month, you can head over to some of these Instagram accounts to see what they are doing. A quick inspection will show that they are making money in one of three ways. By offering freelance services. They are doing this by selling these natural video creation services to those who watch their videos. Another way people are making money with this knowledge is by selling wallpapers to people who cannot write the prompts needed to generate similar-looking images. The third way is by selling online courses. With these three tools and a good Instagram account, you can use these skills to make as much money as possible. Feel free to make the most out of this knowledge. Your future's in your hands.